Let us take this month of Muharram as a time to re-pledge ourselves to the book of Allah Azza wa Jal. To pledge that we would read it, we would think about it, and we would implement it. Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-islam deena. Today I have completed my religion for you. I have perfected it. I have chosen for you al-Islam. Let us also reconnect to the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If he was concerned with Muharram, doing righteous deeds and fasting, we should be concerned. Let us also try our best to unite with other Muslims. Try to look at people with what is the same and not what is different. And let us also reach out to good people of all faiths to find a unity and alliance of those who are standing for the earth, those who are standing for justice, those who are standing against racism, against exploitation. Let us reconnect with the people of this planet who are standing for what is right. Let us show respect for all of the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Radiyallahu anhum wa radu an. As Allah said, Allah is pleased with them. They are pleased with him. And let us stand and repair ourselves. First, look at ourselves. Repair ourselves. Try to repair the things that are around you, in your family, in your society, in the world. Islah. This ummah is in need of repair at this critical time. But it will be strange. You will feel strange repairing relationship, even with somebody who shows you negativity. But you try to repair. You will feel strange trying to repair a society, even though it may say things against you. But I give you glad tidings for the strangers. To feel strange in this time is a great honor and privilege. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was reported to have said, "Innal Islama bada'a ghariban wa sayaudu ghariba, fatuba lil ghuraba." The Prophet said, Islam began strange and it will return to being strange. So glad tidings to the strangers. They asked him, O Messenger of Allah, who are the strange ones? And he said, Alladhina yuslihuna inda fasad an-nas. They are the ones who repair things when the people have become corrupted. Sadaqa Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam. We have come in a time of corruption. May Allah make us of the ghuraba. May Allah make our children of the ghuraba who will stand for the sunnah and stand for an alliance with all that is good and righteous.